Let's try another example for the continuous fx function using Fourier series expansion to represent our fx. And this fx is not constant anymore. So the case 2, we will use a quadratic function where my fx is equals to x times L minus x. Okay, so this is not constant anymore, is as function of x. Well, we can get our Bn. So we will use fx using our derived Fourier series, which is from n equals to 1 to infinity, Bn sine n pi x over L, using this form to represent our fx. So the Bn, as we derived before, should be 2 over L from integral from 0 to L, fx sine n pi x over L dx, right? Then this fx is x times L minus x. So it's 2 over L from 0 to L, xl minus x squared, which is x times L minus x, sine n pi x over L dx. Okay. Then we have basically two integral terms inside this integral overall, 2 over L times 0 to L, Lx sine n pi x over L dx minus 0 to L x squared sine n pi x over L dx. And you can try to do the integral by yourself. We don't use the time in class to derive this mathematics. But you can, if you don't know how to integrate this part, you can check the notes. So the detailed math is showing in the note, the printed out notes, okay? But I will show the conclusion here. So when you have n is equals to an odd number, that will be 2 over L for L cubed n pi to the cube. Well, when you n equals to even, that will be equals to 0 for the Bn. Okay, so this is for the Bn. Then you can represent your fx will be equals to the sum from n equals to 1 to infinity, 2 over L for L cubed over n pi to the cube and sine n pi x over L. N is equals to 1, 3, 5 until infinity, because only when n equals to odd number, the Bn has a non-zero solutions. So in the end, it will be equals to, let's make all the constants outside the sum. So it will be 8L squared over pi cube, sum from n equals to 1 to infinity, 1 over n to the cube sine n pi x over L. And n equals to 1, 3, 5 until infinity, okay? So this is using n is only equals to odd number. You can write in this way. If you want to write this n as in general integer, doesn't matter it's odd or even, you can rewrite this equation to be 8L squared divided by pi cube, the sum from n equals to 1 to infinity, 1 over 2n minus 1 to the cube sine n pi x over L, where n equals to 1, 2, 3 until 2 infinity. Sorry, this will be 2n minus 1 again here. So that you can use a generalized n is an integer from 1 to infinity to represent only the odd number, which is 2n minus 1. Okay. And we will use MATLAB to see how this function behave when we code it into the MATLAB.